Why a better brand means better marketing. One of the most important areas of marketing that good brand work can impact is conversions. Good brand work contributes significantly to how a company can persuade potential customers into purchasing their products or services. How brand work helps improve conversions. Education. Educating potential customers on the value of your brand and how your brand can solve their problems will influence their buying decisions. This is typically done through content marketing campaigns designed to not only reach but educate customers and move them through the sales funnel. Differentiation. Clearly communicated brand attributes such as mission statement, value proposition, or pricing can influence customers to buy from you over your competitor. Brand work will highlight why your company is unique and what differentiates you from your competitors. Perceived value. The way potential consumers perceive your brand or how they think about your brand will have a huge impact on whether or not they do business with you. Brand work, especially brand identity work, can help increase the perceived value of your company by making you look larger or more professional, which in turn increases trust. Good branding creates meaning. Marketing is everywhere, and we're constantly exposed to advertisements across multiple channels. What all this marketing advertising lacks these days is meaning. When it comes to marketing to consumers today, it's not enough to win a share of their wallet. You've got to win their hearts and minds too. Marketing with meaning is the antidote to opting out. It adds value to people's lives independent of purchase, which, as it turns out, is far more likely to win their business. It's marketing that is often more meaningful than the product it aims to sell. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.